Hello out there world, how you doing guys? I currently come back to Bali and this cloud behind me is a little bit scary. The rain season officially is come back. Everywhere is raining actually. I come back from Singapore and my friend told me it's actually when you left it's raining. In Thailand it's very badly raining and in Bali it's no difference, it's raining as well. A little bit at morning and at night. It's not like continuously very long or very heavy rain, but you have to expect it's gonna be rainy in Bali when you are currently coming in October. Either way, I'm in Sanur right now. Gonna come back to the regular videos from Bali, like update styles videos. Today in Sanur because I'm a little bit tired, so I wanna have something easier. This is the Hyatt Regency Hotel. Seems also pretty busy to me. Actually, quite many people everywhere around. The weather is how it is. Not much is going on. It's a little bit quiet, but at least Hyatt Regency Hotel in Sanur is busy. And they also gonna have some special event, I think, because they are preparing something over here right now. And also regarding my future travel plans, I think in October I'm gonna be fully in Bali. I think so, I'm not 100% sure, but probably I will be in Bali because many people actually who are watching us said as they will come to Bali in October and we're gonna do some podcast maybe, hopefully. And also my friend Mick from Australia is coming, so probably in October I'm gonna be in Bali. However, in November I'm gonna travel probably full entire month. I'm not sure yet and where I'm gonna go, but probably gonna travel. And also during the Christmas and New Year we gonna go together with Winnie, guys, summer abroad, 2 different countries. I'm not gonna tell you more right now, but stay with me. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel and you are new, I'm currently living in Bali since last 6 years permanently. My wife is from Bali and we are nearly hit 25,000 subscribers, which is huge milestone for me, for our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet but watching us regularly, don't forget to subscribe now. And also always remember to big thumb up every single video you're watching, as that's helped me a lot and it's very important actually for the YouTube statistics. And of course watching my YouTube and thumbs up are totally for free, cost you nothing. I'm making videos specially for you. Meanwhile, this is La Playa, current situation today. Actually this restaurant next to Hyatt, it's pretty busy, always pretty busy, I gonna tell you guys, and it's no different today. It's also around 4 o'clock afternoon during the weekday, of course. And this is the jet skis you can rent over here. Some new place. I mean, this is not really a new place. It's already open like 3 years. As you can see, Sanur, slow life is going on. Also over here, this is the brand new improvements. The few restaurants over here, they having a brand new patio, like this one with the glass. So it's actually very modern and very nice and very clean. And this is the name of the beach, Yooo, actually. Yeah, like this one. You can find so many nice restaurants over here in case if you are not familiar with Sanur. This is the one, first one. Surya, next one is Coco Bistro. They're having a very nice pizza over here. Hello! And the bucket of beers with the prices like this one for everyone who is interested. I like this place for the pizza because they have a wood fire pizza and also seating area is very nice, very cozy, very tropical with the directly ocean view, ocean front actually. Another restaurant over here, you have a menu like this one. You can find something maybe interesting for yourself. Another one is Omba, great place for the coffee and pastry, especially at morning or having some bintang, maybe, perhaps. Everywhere this looks very the same right now. And then you have a gap and another one. This one is Baramundi Sanur, little bit less fortunate I think. However, I think it's good for the seafood. However, I never eat here, so I don't know. I don't know. You're doing this for your own responsibility. And another one as well. And they have a nice big coconuts here. And then you have a little gap and then you have a Lila Pantai. This is another very famous place, similar with La Playa. So many expats coming here for having lunch and dinner. Currently a little bit quiet during the lunchtime, but if you're gonna come during the dinner time, definitely gonna be very busy. Also deep inside the restaurant looks like this one, and then little spa and the gap. And there will be Intercontinental Hotel where I'm heading right now. And this is little view of the beach, in case if you're interested and not familiar with Sanur beach. That looks pretty like this one. I'm gonna have a look little bit wanna show you also not so many people on the beach, maybe because everybody are afraid about this dark sky over there. And just after that you have an Intercontinental hotel, and the restaurant belongs to an Intercontinental. And so basically between the Intercontinental hotel and Hyatt Regency in Sanur, you can find the strip with the so many restaurants where you can find also expats dining in or having a lunch. And also it's the great opportunity if you wanna escape from the hotel and having something more local vibe, also opportunity to meet some local people and also local expats. Local expats, I sounds a little bit silly, expats who are living in Bali, well, something like that. Anyway, this is the Intercontinental Hotel, and I'm gonna show you also one restaurant which is at the front of me, which is like only one between, like in this area. So if you are passing through these gardens, this is the Intercontinental Hotel, and then you have the Tapa. The Tapa is the new restaurant opened during the pandemic times. They basically put some tables on the beach, and they have a small building over there in case if it's raining. And also you can find so many tourists and the expats having a lunch and dinner. Currently it's the lunch time, it's a little bit more quieter than during the dinner time. Also during the dinner time they often have a live music. However, either is right now you can still find some people over here, and also an overjet ski somewhere over there in case if you're interested of stuff like this one. And yeah, this is like one of the two most popular and most characteristic spots in you know, in Sanur. This one, and another one is between, you know, the Tanjung Sari Hotel and the Besaki Hotel area over there. There's also a popular spot with so many restaurants and the hotels. And then after that you have a private villas or just the hotels. I'm gonna hit now into direction of Puri Sanur, and I think gonna show you a little bit around, but I wanted to show you a little bit 360 degree how does it look like. You have a gazebos when you can chill, and also the beach and the water situation like this one. It's not rainy yet, however I think it's gonna be rainy because I can feel already some drop of the water on my skin, so I have to be in rush a little bit. Sanur is a little bit like you know, very cozy and sleepy part of Bali with the direct view of the ocean, and a very nice beach in my opinion actually, like for the Bali standards of course. You can find the tourist vibe and the local vibe at the same time, which is very cool. Tomorrow probably I'm gonna show you maybe Seminyak or maybe Kuta Legion. Overall, every day I'm gonna showing you different part of Bali, and time to time I'm gonna try to create something different. This is the harbor beach where there is so many divers having a base here. The name of the beach is like this one, Pantai Semawang, and you can see already directly so many trucks. This is brand new restaurant. Also, it's like this one, Studia de Pantai, popular for the local people. Never so many expats here. The place looks pretty nice, but like I said, mostly local people over here. Hello, how are you? And for everyone who are looking for Bali updates, this is the time for you. I'm gonna be here, like I said at the beginning of the video, for a while. And for everyone who are looking for very fresh content, because I calculate and I checked, actually I made around 800 videos from Bali since the past 2.5 years. That's unbelievable. So for some of you may be boring already watching over and over and over the same stuff, because obviously Bali is a small island. But like I said, next month I'm gonna travel again. I will probably travel for full entire month, so bear with me. That's gonna be a lot of interesting content. Also let me know how have you enjoyed the Singapore series. I always like Singapore, let me know. I hope so you enjoyed too. Definitely I'm gonna come back there again. Meanwhile, this is the Sanur beach. It's also nice to having this fresh breeze, ocean breeze, you know. It's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna go now into direction of Puri Sanur Hotel. So they built some offices here for any kind of water activities, especially the diving and stuff. So if you are looking for stuff like this one and you are interested about the Sanur, because Sanur is actually one of the best spots in South Bali, this is place for you. You definitely have to come to Sanur. Other ones are Chandidasa, East Bali, Amet, East Bali, and also you can try North Bali like Pemucheran, Kubu and stuff like this one. And for diving, of course, Nusa Penida Islands to see the mantas, one of the few places in the world when you can see Mola Mola, and also Gili Islands for snorkeling, diving, all of this stuff. Definitely you're not gonna dive and doing any kind of stuff like this or snorkeling or any kind of water activities in Canggu. Canggu is more into, you know, party, digital nomads and all of this stuff. What's the name? The Area Belanja. which means like learning zone or something like this, if I'm not mistaken. Overall, this is the area where so many warungs, what they destroyed some months ago. If you're watching my videos from Bali, you know what's happened here and what was here. Currently, looks like this. Seems like it's a little bit messy, to be honest. No offense to anyone, but looks a little bit messy. This is like some of the warungs come back, but without the buildings, they just have a beds. Here is nothing. This land is still abandoned for 50 years. When the jack and fish is back with the small wooden hut back to the stage when they started 50 years ago, they come back in 2022 again. So yeah, it's pretty weird situation. That's the TTs as well. Many of you ask me about this place. Yeah, hello, welcome to Bali, guys. Somehow sad, as I was vlogging here for the last 2.5 years, and all of these people thinking as I just come to Bali yesterday. So, I mean, somehow it's happy, somehow it's sad. If, you know, it's from my personal perspective, it's like, you know, it could be like, you know, it would be nice if somebody would remember me and appreciate as I was showing these areas for the last 2.5 years when nobody was in Bali. Like 99.9% of you guys was not in Bali, and I was filming here, and these people just don't remember me. But, well, this is the life. You cannot expect too much, especially while living in Southeast Asia. That's just how it's worked. Like, it's a little bit windy, but I think my microphones are working well in this condition still. And this is the Puri Sanur hotel for everyone who are interested to stay over here. Prices are pretty affordable, 50-70 USD per night. They made some reconstructions here due to the, you know, the new promenade. I used to also enjoy the facilities of the hotel during the pandemic times on the pool pass. So I was with Winnie many times. Some of you may remember. And the restaurant now facing the ocean is open air, so it's no building anymore, which is very cool. They have a security and stuff like this, so it's pretty nice and pretty cozy. Also, so many people actually enjoying inside. I'm not gonna get inside because of, you know, for the guests' privacy, but it looks like this one. Pretty cool. Also, they have some sort of trees, looks like a bonsai or something. Definitely family friendly place. Also, the beach is very quiet in Bali currently, especially in Sanur. As to be honest, the quietness, how Bali is quiet right now, it feels a little bit, especially in Sanur, feels a little bit like during the pandemic times, because during the pandemic there were some expats living here, including myself, and the amount of people everywhere around, maybe not as quiet how is it now, but it's very close to that. It's pretty quiet. Either way, this is the Puri Sanur hotel, and that was my short video. Actually, not that really short, but I tried to make it short from Sanur, from Bali, Indonesia. I hope so you enjoyed, and you know what to expect in the upcoming few weeks. So bear with me. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I hope so we're gonna really hit this 25,000 subscribers very soon. Well, thank you so much for being with me. I will see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care.